Does the sound of Velcro tearing open in the morning make your stomach tie itself in knots? You know the routine. You wake up, swing your legs over the side of the bed, strap that blood pressure cuff around your arm, and just freeze. You hold your breath while the machine hums, praying the screen shows a safe number, like 120/80. But deep down, you're terrified it's going to spike to 160 or higher. If that anxiety defines your morning, please listen closely. You are not failing, and this isn't your fault. There's a biological reason why mornings are so scary. Doctors often don't have time to tell you this, but the hours between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. are actually the danger zone for seniors. During the night, while you sleep, your body dries out, turning your blood thick like syrup. At the same time, your stress hormones naturally surge to wake you up, and your evening medication has likely worn off. Your heart is fighting an uphill battle before you've even brushed your teeth. But here is the silver lining. You don't have to surrender to these numbers. There's a simple, natural routine you can do right in your living room, in your pajamas, that takes less than 20 minutes. It requires no gym membership and no heavy weights. This method focuses on activation rather than medication. While pills manage symptoms, they don't always fix the root cause, which is sluggish circulation and stiff arteries. By using 3 specific movements backed by science, you can signal to your body that it is safe to relax. But before we get to the movement, there is one critical step 0 you must do the moment you wake up. Because you lose water through breathing and sweating all night, you must rehydrate immediately. Drink 1 tall glass of warm water, about 10 to 12 ounces. Do not use cold water, which can shock your system. Warm water thins that syrupy blood, making it easier for your heart to pump. Do this before you do anything else. Move 1. The second heart walk. Once you're hydrated, it's time to get moving with rhythmic walking. This isn't just a casual stroll to the mailbox, it's a deliberate technique to wake up your calves. Doctors call your calf muscles your second heart because every time they squeeze, they pump blood from your legs back up to your chest, taking the load off your actual heart. For 10 to 15 minutes, walk around your house, or even better, outside in the morning sun. Keep a steady, rhythmic march. Step heel to toe and let your arms swing freely. Look straight ahead, not at your feet, to keep your airways open. You should be moving briskly enough that you can talk, but you couldn't sing a song. This rhythmic pumping action manually lowers the pressure in your vascular system. Move 2. Unlocking the flow. Next, we need to address a hidden culprit of high blood pressure: tight hips. When we sit in chairs all day, our hips lock up, essentially putting a kink in the garden hose of our main leg arteries, the femoral arteries. This forces your heart to pump harder to push blood through. To fix this, we use a gentle, modified butterfly sit. Sit on your bed or the floor, use a cushion if you need back support. Bend your knees and place the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall open naturally. Don't force them down, just let gravity work. Place a hand on your belly and breathe deeply for about 5 minutes. This pose does 2 things. It physically unkinks those leg arteries, and it stimulates the vagus nerve, which sends a direct calm down signal to your nervous system. Move 3. The isometric wall sit. A major medical study recently found this stationary exercise is actually more effective at lowering resting blood pressure than running or cycling. Why? When you hold a squat position without moving, your muscles squeeze the blood vessels. When you stand up and release that squeeze, your body floods your arteries with nitric oxide, a natural gas that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. To do it, lean your back flat against a wall and slide down as if you're sitting in an invisible chair. You don't need to go deep, just enough to feel your thighs working. Breathe slowly, 4 seconds in, 4 seconds out, and hold for 30 to 45 seconds. Rest for a minute and repeat this 3 or 4 times. It seems too simple to work, but the biological reaction it triggers is profound. So here is your new prescription for a better morning. Drink your warm water to thin the blood, walk rhythmically to pump the blood, sit in the butterfly pose to open the pathways, and use the wall sit to relax your arteries. This isn't just about exercise, it's about signaling safety to your body. You don't have to be perfect from day one. Start with just the water and the walking tomorrow. Consistency is key. You are not too old to improve, and you are not broken. Your body is just waiting for the right instructions to heal itself. Give it a try tomorrow morning. You might just find that the Velcro sound isn't so scary.